Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance issues so you can fix them yourself and save some cash. Today, we're tackling the Kenmore Range Error Code F2E0 from 2025 models. If your oven is flashing this code and refusing to cooperate, don't panic. We're going to walk through what it means, why it happens, and how to get your kitchen back in action. First off, let's decode this error. The F2E0 code on your Kenmore range typically signals a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or its control board. This could mean the sensor isn't reading temperatures accurately, which might prevent your oven from heating properly or cause it to shut down unexpectedly. It's a safety feature designed to avoid overheating, but it's frustrating when it interrupts your baking plans. Now, before you dive in, always prioritize safety. Unplug your range or turn off the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical risks. Start with the basics. Check if there's a power issue. Sometimes, a simple reset can do the trick. Turn off the range, wait for about 5 minutes, and then power it back on. If that doesn't work, inspect the sensor. It's usually located at the back of the oven. Look for any visible damage, like frayed wires or buildup of grime, which can cause inaccurate readings. If you're comfortable, you might need to clean the sensor gently with a soft cloth or, in some cases, replace it. Kenmore parts are widely available online, and we'll link some in the description. Remember, if you're not handy with tools, it's best to call a professional to avoid voiding your warranty or causing more damage. In summary, error code F2E0 is often a sensor glitch, but quick checks like resetting or cleaning can resolve it. If not, a replacement might be needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more appliance fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, we've got your back. Word count: 348.